What is up, guys? So today we're going to do the infamous two-sum problem. It's a LeetCode problem and it's fairly easy, so I'm going to try to get through it quickly. Alright, so when you first see the problem, there's a fairly obvious solution. What you could do is first compare 2 to all the other numbers. So in this example, 2 is the first number in the list, and we can compare it with 7. So we can do 2 plus 7 equals 9. That is not equal to our target. So then we can do 2 plus 5 equals 7. That's not equal to our target, and so on. And then we will try it with 7. So we can do 7 plus 5 equals 12. That's not equal to our target. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Not equal to our target, and so on. And we can do that for all of these numbers. But that would give us a solution with O of n squared complexity, which is not good. And it is O of n squared because we go through all of these numbers each time for every single iteration. So a way we can do this in O of n time is using a hash map. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So first we have to create this map. I'm going to do it like this. And I'm coding in Java, and I'll call it sol underscore map equals new hash map. So now we have this hash map. So this hash map will store previous numbers, and I'll show you how we can utilize that really well to make this O of n time complexity. So as you guessed, we're gonna have to go through the whole list like this. You could do any way you want, but I prefer to just do it like this. So I do I is less than nums dot length, and then I plus plus. So this is where the main solution is. This is where the tricky part is. So what you might be used to is like just adding the numbers and then keeping on going through the loop, but what you want to do in this problem is find the complement of your number. So let's say you have the number, you get to the number 5 and your target is 9. Then your complement is 4. So I'm going to calculate that complement. So I'm going to call it comp equals target minus nums of I. So if we've seen this complement, if it's in our hash map, then that means that we have found a solution. So what I'm going to do is if sol underscore map dot contains key of comp, then I'm going to return the solution, which will be something like this. So I'm going to do map.get comp, comma, I. Sorry, it's getting a little tight here. Okay, so that might be a little confusing. It'll make more sense on this last line. So I'm going to say here, if we haven't found a complement in our map, then I'm just going to put it in the map. So we have to put where the first argument is going to be the number at the ith index, and the second argument is going to be the index where we found it. So now we can finish this for loop, and it will iterate through every single number in nums, add it to the map, and once we find a complement, we will return it. If there ends up being no number, you can throw an illegal argument exception, and so forth. Whatever you would need to do, you could return some array like -1, -1. But your interviewer will ask you like what they want. And yeah, that's it.